Looking to take your aim to the next level? A laser slingshot combines precision, power, and futuristic tech to elevate your shooting experience. Hey there, my adventure crew. Welcome back to Huntscribe. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best laser slingshot that are making waves this year. Whether you're survival gear aficionado, huntastic, wilderness warrior, or outdoor equipment buff, we've got something for everyone. Whether you're a hunting enthusiast, target shooter, or just someone who loves hitting the bullseye, these tools bring unmatched accuracy and fun. Imagine the thrill of hitting your target effortlessly, even in low-light conditions. Ready to explore the ultimate in slingshot innovation? Let's dive into the top 5 best laser slingshots you can get today. Love what you see? Grab these amazing products through the links mentioned below in the description while getting the best deals. Your purchase helps us keep bringing you awesome reviews. Let's begin with the number 5 product on our list is SQLWYLAT Professional. The SQLWYLAT Professional Slingshot is a must-have for outdoor enthusiasts seeking precision and durability in one sleek package. Designed with mechanical sight and fiber optic aiming points, this slingshot allows for effortless targeting even at impressive distances of 32 to 164 feet. Can you imagine consistently hitting your mark with such ease? Crafted from high-quality resin polycarbonate, it boasts exceptional sturdiness while ensuring a comfortable, stable grip. The adjustable mechanical aiming caters to both left and right-handed users, making it versatile for everyone. Plus, the pressure sheet design simplifies the process of installing or removing rubber bands, offering a seamless shooting experience. Whether you're into hunting, fishing, or simply honing your aim, this slingshot adapts to all your needs. It's even great for defending against unwanted critters or as a unique collectible. Ready to elevate your outdoor adventures? Click the link in description and get your SQLWYLAT Professional Slingshot today. At number 4 is DADONFANG Laser. The DADONFANG Laser Slingshot takes precision and convenience to the next level, making it a standout choice for hunting, target practice, or friendly competitions. Ever wonder how it feels to consistently hit your target with ease? This slingshot's infrared aiming system ensures perfect alignment every time, making it a dream for both beginners and seasoned shooters. Its large volume handle is not just ergonomic but practical, storing up to 100 rounds of ammunition. No more juggling loose ammo. With a simple press of a switch, you're ready to reload in seconds. The thickened rubber band delivers powerful and consistent shots, while the wrist rest adds stability for accurate aiming. DADONFANG includes everything you need: ammo, spare bands, and a 2-year guarantee, offering incredible value. Why settle for average when you can experience precision and power? Click the link in description and make every shot count. The third one on our list is Nijsaku Laser. The Nijsaku Laser Slingshot is a game changer for outdoor enthusiasts, offering precision and versatility in a sleek dual-purpose design. Imagine effortlessly switching between shooting steel balls for hunting and firing darts for fishing. This slingshot makes it possible with its fish wheel mounting holder. Its high-speed catapult system delivers speeds up to 120 meters per second, giving you the range and power every professional player dreams of. The extendable body design further enhances performance, while the 304 stainless steel bow head and thickened latex bands ensure durability and rebound power. What truly sets this slingshot apart is its high-power green laser sight, perfectly visible up to 500 meters at night. Aiming and hitting targets has never been this easy. With its stainless steel trigger and footstep power loading system, firing is safe and swift. Why wait? Upgrade your game with this professional hunting slingshot today. Click in description now to own this powerhouse. On number 2 is Umarex X-Shot. The Umarex X-Shot slingshot is an absolute must-have for anyone seeking a top-notch shooting experience. With its advanced laser sight, you'll enjoy precise targeting in any lighting. Whether you're out at dawn or dusk, you can rely on its superior accuracy. How often have you wished for better precision when aiming at your target? Crafted from high-quality materials, this slingshot is built to withstand rugged outdoor environments, ensuring that it keeps performing no matter the conditions. The adjustable wrist brace adds another layer of comfort, reducing fatigue during those long shooting sessions, perfect for both beginners and experienced users. But that's not all. The Umarex X-Shot is compatible with a wide range of ammo types, making it versatile for hunting or recreational shooting. Whether you're just starting out or looking to level up your skills, this slingshot is ready to deliver. Ready to experience the thrill? Get yours now and hit your targets with precision. Now moving to the last one is Catch&Hunt Professional. The Catch&Hunt Professional Slingshot is a game changer for both seasoned hunters and slingshot enthusiasts. Imagine the thrill of hitting your target with precision and speed. This slingshot features a high-speed catapult design with a shooting speed of 260 to 330 feet per second, making it ideal for both hunting and target practice. With its ergonomic design, the front handle and rear drag provide maximum stability, allowing you to shoot with confidence and accuracy. Crafted from high-quality metal materials, the slingshot is built to last, and the metal quick-pressure dual-purpose bowhead offers flexibility by supporting both flat and round rubber bands. Whether you're using it for hunting or simply for fun, this slingshot is designed to handle it all. The value package includes everything you need: steel ammo, rubber bands, and even a green laser for pinpoint accuracy. Ready to up your shooting game? Get your Catch&Hunt Professional Slingshot today and experience shooting like never before. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 best laser slingshot. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.